got a university or something in here. Interesting. Oh, I also said I really like blue. I'm not really seeing any blue just yet. Hey, so I ordered a giant mystery box from the Vintage store. It's a store that sells vintage clothing items both in-store and online, and I believe they're based in Great Britain. On the website they offer different bundles, but you can also purchase things individually. But I thought a mystery box might be a little bit more fun. So I found them originally on TikTok. I originally was going to go with a company called EDJ Vintage or something, but then I saw a different TikTok for this one and decided to go this route. So let's hope I made the right decision. I got the 5-piece women's box. So this is gonna have 5 pieces of vintage clothing. No idea what's in here, so I'm actually really excited. I'm going on a trip soon, so I want to bring some of these clothes with me. When you're ordering, there's a section where you can put what you're looking for. So I made a whole Pinterest board and everything and told them what I wanted and what I didn't want, because I think this store does let you do returns, but I feel like that's going to be a hassle, because I don't know if you have to return the whole box or just the single item and then also pay for shipping and then wait. The main things I highlighted was I didn't really want anything knit or fleece. I wanted size large sweatshirts, but smaller, extra small tops. I didn't want anything orange or teal or peachy, because I don't think those colors look good on me. And then I said I really like Nike. So we'll see if they read it. I'll also add my Pinterest board to this video, so maybe it'll start scrolling right now as I open this box with one hand. All right, this is really difficult. Here it is. This is what I got. Here are the clothes. So far, I'm not liking this color scheme. Okay, here's the first thing. University of Indianapolis Greyhounds. Yay! My money! Alright, next, Ohio State. And this is super worn. Ohio State Buckeyes. This was not on my Pinterest board. And it looks better on camera, but it's really not. Then I got this Adidas. And I don't like it. And then I got this green. It's Harley, but it's lime-ass green. Harley. I wanted t-shirts. I shouldn't have gotten the women's box. I should have gotten the men's. And this is Fila. In pink. And that might be the only cute thing, but I don't even know if I'd wear this. Alright, let's try it all on, because... Oh, look. Want to return? I sure do. I sure do. It says, if you don't like your selection or doesn't fit, please fill in below and send it back. We offer exchanges or full refunds. Returns are for the full box, not part of the box. See, look. My message was included of everything I wanted. There's so many lint ball fuzzies on this. It's so uncomfortable. This is really small for a large. Do I like it? Do we like it? I mean, it's kind of cool, but it's not what I was going for. There's not a single Nike in here. That's all I'm saying. Let's keep on going. Keep on trucking. I don't even want to try on this Buckley's one. Ow! Something scratched me. The elastic on the bottom already stretched out. And I get it, it's vintage. It's not gonna be in perfect condition. Alright, only 2 more items. This doesn't even zip up. This is difficult. That is interesting. So it fits. There's no money in the pockets. Yeah, I don't know. This is not something I would have ever picked up for myself. I think the colors actually work for my skin, but I still wouldn't wear it. I'm gonna be fair, and I'm gonna go to a full-size mirror. I'll be right back. I look like a kid, so no. Do I like it? It's like long. So like, if I wore jeans, I couldn't even, I guess I could kind of bunch it up. How's the back? I mean, this could be good for St. Patrick's Day. This is the Fila. Yeah. I feel like someone out there would like love this, and it's not me. Like, I feel like I'm forcing myself to like these, and I don't. So let's go over the pros and cons. Pros is it's fun. They have good stuff. It just, I didn't get it. They allow you to do returns and refunds. It got here in 10 days from the time I ordered it, so not too bad. They also let you put in the notes section what you're looking for, so I think that's a pro as well. I'm doing my best here. I'm trying to think of all the pros I can. Another pro is that everything is laundered. Now for cons. I don't like basically everything in this box. What else? The way that it was packed, it was missing tape on one of the sides, so in transit, if it rained or anything, the clothes would have gotten wet. And I did see that happen to someone else. I did not get any of the brands I asked for, and I literally think I only listed Ralph and Nike, so there's that. And I don't know how long or how much it's gonna take to return this. Alright, so that's it for this review. Thanks for watching. Bye.